Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and after that tap to the home screen section. Then here click to hide apps. And now just let's select, for example, the Google Drive, the calculator and the camera app or the contacts. Then just click here to done. Now we can see that hide applications and this section. So now we can see that we can find these two apps here in the apps menu and on our device home screen. And if you want to just turn them back, if you want to unhide them, you can do this by this way, just by go to settings to the home screen and click here to the hide apps, or also we can hold for a while our device home screen and after that tap on the right down corner on the settings and just launch the hide app section, and by this way we can unhide them by click on these minuses and then just click here to done, and that's it. So now we can see again those two apps in our apps menu here, and after that you can add them here to your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.